TikTok has finally closed its long-awaited deal to remain in the U.S. The social media platform said its U.S. arm has been bought by several investors. That'll be led by Oracle. The deal brings an end to the years-long saga that nearly saw the app banned in the United States. So joining us for more, Yahoo Finance tech editor Dan Howley. Dan, okay, so if I'm an Oracle investor, what does this mean for me, or if I'm a U.S. investor generally?
It means basically everything is A-OK now, more or less. This is going to be well, the main question here is probably about the algorithm, right? That's the reason why people continue to use that. So they will retain the algorithm. However, it will be secured by U.S. companies, Oracle, and it will be they'll ensure that it doesn't have any kind of, I guess, outside influence, right? That was one of the fears of TikTok that came up in the first Trump administration, that it was basically, kind of a way for China to spy on U.S. users and influence them via the algorithm, right? And so now I guess that became less of an issue when President Trump said that he liked it, and then kept fighting the law that he helped get started to ban the app. Whatever. The main thing is that the algorithm will now continue to exist, but it'll have its own kind of U.S. flavor, I assume. Oracle's going to be securing all of this. The U.S. data is going to be under Oracle. They were already working with the U.S. kind of and TikTok to previously ensure that U.S. data was separate, but the law was essentially ByteDance can only own less than 20%. And so that's where they're going to be. Susquehanna will own a portion, as well as a number of other investors. But really, I think for the most part, if you're looking to be invested in these companies, or in this company, things are going to remain the same. They said they have 200 million people now. I think that's an updated number. They said 7.5 million businesses use it. And so this is, I guess, the end of a long national nightmare that didn't really need to happen, I guess. I mean, it's all rather confusing.